Hey guys, welcome to another video. I've had this Keychron K1V4 for 3 months now as a regular keyboard and a gaming keyboard. So if you guys wanted to know about the durability of this keyboard, well, you found the video. So here it is. Let's dive straight into the WASD keys. On the D key, you can see the wear. There's a little spot there and a deeper scratch right here. The S key is about to have this problem as well, so that's another blemish that's about to happen. If I turn the light on, you can definitely see that clearly. There's a little spot there to scratch and a little bit of wear off right here. Yeah, so the keycaps on K1V4 is ABS plastic. It is laser etched. Now that's where the problem comes in. The laser etching makes it really vulnerable to problems like this. So if you're considering buying this as a gaming keyboard, well, that's a consideration that you can take. Yeah, these keycaps aren't really durable. Now there is rumors that the PBT versions will be available on 2021 Q2, but yeah, it's obviously a rumor. We don't really know that if that's gonna happen or not. So that's another thing to consider. Now another one is that Keychron K1V4 has metal black backplate. Now the problem with that is the dust is gonna be really noticeable, as you can see right here. So obviously this problem won't be a problem if it came with a white backplate, which I would much prefer, but yeah, that's not a thing. So that's another thing to consider. Now I posted previously about the Bluetooth connection problems. I went through all your comments and yeah, I still have a problem. Yeah, so I am using this as a cable only keyboard right now. But the thing is, the Bluetooth works on my phone, my tablet, and even my other Windows laptop. So and it's just my desktop that's having this problem. But my desktop works with any other Bluetooth keyboard. And my take on it is that Keychron K1V4 has a full metal enclosure, and that's where I think that's where the problem comes in inherently. Bluetooth connection is going to be weak through metal enclosure, and the only plastic part of the keyboard on the side, now that's where the Bluetooth transmission actually happens on this keyboard. But obviously that's a really small portion of this keyboard, and I think inherently the Bluetooth connection is really weak on this keyboard. So that's another thing to consider if you're trying to buy this keyboard. It won't always work with all your computers. And especially if your desktop PC has a built-in Bluetooth transmission that's encased somehow, that's gonna be weaker. That's gonna be a weak Bluetooth signal inherently. So yeah, so just consider that. Yeah, so so the K3, which is the advanced version of this, is coming out soon, January of 2021. I actually recommend that because it is a newer keyboard and I think they will fix this problem. So yeah, I have that video coming. So if you're interested, hit subscribe. I have other videos in line as well. So if you guys want to know tech stuff in the more user perspective, then yeah, please hit subscribe. Thank you.